Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to sort your groceries in the Reminders app. So first of all, you're going to go to your reminders and you're going to create a new reminder. And you're gonna write down all of the groceries you want to buy. And basically this would be not very convenient when you're shopping at the store. So to sort it out, you just basically click three dots right here and you're gonna click show list info. And after this, as you can see, you can choose coloring and so on. You can choose emojis, and as you can see, there's a convert to smart list and also list type. So you want to choose shopping, and this will basically organize items automatically using sections. You're gonna click done, and as you can see, um, here are breads and cereals, dairy and eggs, meat, pasta, produce, and spices. So that's how you can sort out your shopping list in the Reminders app. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.